Welcome to Smart Inventory Manager. Today we will take a look at the inventory, on how to make new products and how to delete products. First I will show you how to make a new product from scratch. We will do that here in this tab. As you see, a window opens and it says edit, and we can go inside here and we can make what kind of supplier we need. So we will just enter a completely new supplier. We will make a category, what it's called, for example, socks reference. This is the barcode number, so we'll just make a random number. Description, new socks. Quantity, how many do we have in stock? We will enter this here. And what location are they present at? We can make a stock shelf number 5. The alarm, what time do we want to show a special color around the stock count? Let's say 5 pieces. So when we're down to 5 pieces, there will be an alarm in the program. It will be shown as the red area you see here. It's very important to remember that the alarm triggers below 5. So right now, as you see, we have 5 in quantity and we have 5 on the alarm. But when the alarm and the quantity is the same, there will be no alarm. But when you go to 4 pieces in quantity, there will be an alarm. Like, for example, here you see there's 5 in alarm and there's 0 in quantity. Then you will have the red, or this color that you choose from the color section, in this bar. I will show you how to delete products. We can press any product we like. We can press CTRL plus delete. So this is two keys on a keyboard, and it's CTRL and delete. We press them at the same time while we have a line marked, and we can now delete, for example, 1 line. Yes, thank you. We can mark multiple lines at the same time, and we can again press CTRL delete. Delete 3 lines. Yes, thanks. Very nice. Unit buy, what price do we buy these goods for? So 50, for example, in your currency, whatever the currency is in your area. Unit sell, 250. We can leave a comment here if there's something we need to remember. Like this. We can go inside here and we can make, for example, a new company with the web address, zip code, everything we need about this company, and press save or delete. In the moment that we make the edit here, we have some options. We can delete again, we can cancel totally, we can save it, and we can print a new barcode label with the info. So when I press print, it will automatically start printing. And you will also automatically save your entrance. So very easy. I will just press save now. That was all for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you again in the next video, where we will be looking at how to remove products from the stock. Thank you. Bye bye.